Good morning, y'all. It is Reedy here, and today we are in Canggu, Bali, and we're going surfing. But first, guys, we just got to pick up a ride here. We're getting a grab bike. What's wonderful here about Canggu is these bikes, literally to get around anywhere in town, are 73 cents. So just ordered the grab. We're going to be heading to Batu Belong Beach to do some surfing today. All right, y'all. Ride is here. All right, ready? I'm good. Y'all, we have arrived. Let's catch some waves.
First, I just wanted to catch a nice, mellow, left-handed wave before moving to some of the bigger waves here for today. This is actually how my day of surfing.
Alright guys, we are finally back on the beach. I'm exhausted, but it was an absolutely great surf, but time to lounge and rest up here. We're gonna relax, chill on the beach here for a little bit. The best way to recover after a long surf session and get these muscles back moving is a nice fresh coconut. They sell these for 20,000 rupiah, which is $1.25. You get this whole big ass coconut. This thing is bigger than my head, and it's phenomenal. So let's drink up. We're gonna finish this, relax here on the beach, and then go grab some breakfast. It is time to get breakfast. Going to my favorite spot here along Batu Belong Beach called Seaweed, with a wonderful view here overlooking the beach. So let's eat. Breakfast is here. It is looking fabulous, so let's eat.
After a great day of surf and a wonderful breakfast, it was time to get back to the guest house.
All right, y'all, we have made it back to the guest house here. If you are here in Canggu, you definitely have to check out Batu Belong Beach. If you're a beginner surfer, never surfed before, or an experienced, they have great waves. If you are trying to get lessons, please check out Kefi Surf, K-E-F-I Surf. They have been giving me lessons here for the past week and got me from not even be able to stand on the board to being able to catch some waves here by myself. They were absolutely amazing. And if you guys have not liked and subscribed, please do that here now, and I will see you in the next video.